This video will show you how to locate and access Chalk Digital in our Resource Center tile. First, log into MyConnect and locate your Resource Center tile. Once we find it, we will click on that tile. It should bring up your dashboard in Resource Center. Chalk Digital is the first square in your dashboard. We will click on that. We have 4 options here for building ads. We will concentrate on the first one here, the automated listing program. This is the program that we give you from Berkshire Hathaway for new listings as a 1-week free run. So we will get started with that. If you have a new listing, it will show up in your dashboard. This agent happens to have an active listing, and it's located here. It gives us the MLS ID, property address, office name, and also the date that it started and the status. If we would like to edit this campaign, we would click on the plus sign to promote, or the view campaign button, which would show you how many people have actually clicked on that. Let's start with the plus sign and promote a new listing. It gives us the email listing or click URL option, or we can create a new campaign. This already ran, so we will extend this listing if we choose to. So let's hit create campaign and just follow the options. You can choose either one of these 2 designs. If you like the black, choose that. Click next. You also have the option to review your ad here. Your ad will be optimized for website, Facebook, and Instagram sizes, and it can be edited at any time. So this is what your ad looks like currently. Here are the details for that ad. Just listed, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, the price, the agent's picture, and information. If we wanted to upload a new image, we can do so on this left side here, or we can choose what other images are already in the template. Once we're done, we will hit next. Where do I want to target your ad? 15-mile radius of the property, or you could select specific cities. The recommended is the first option. Click next. Here we have the ability to add the seller name and email address. So your seller actually gets a copy of the ad, and that is a great feature as well. We do advise you do that. I'll hit next now. And then we have a launch date. Here are the prices for the campaign length. You could choose what option you want there. And here's the ad preview. Again, we can edit if we need to. And then it will bring you to the pay screen. So if we hit the create campaign option, you can easily enter in your credit card information here. That is how to promote a listing in Chalk Digital. Remember, if you have your listings and they are running for that free 1 week, you will not have to pay. It will automatically list your campaign details there. I am now back on my campaign page. And I mentioned earlier that you can view your campaign using this option here. If we click on View Campaign, we can see the campaigns that have run. So information, campaign details, this little I right here, click on that. And I could see the status and what it actually looked like. If I hit back and click on the analytics report, I can actually get some great data here. I can see how many people have viewed my ad, the total clicks, and the CTR. That is the click-through rate, and that is the number of clicks that your ad receives divided by the number of times your ad is shown. So it comes up with this calculation here. If I scroll down, I can also view a heat map of the people that clicked on it in the area that they are in. And it also shows the devices that were used to click. So a bunch of helpful information on this page. If I click on the reach up here in the dashboard summary, it'll actually zoom in and show you that heat map a little bit closer. Hit back, and you could do this for any campaign. I'm now back to my campaigns, and I could do a couple other things. If I click in this toolbar, I can search for listings using my MLS ID, and I could promote that way. I can also click on this drop down here, select any of these that would apply, pending. This property happens to be pending for this agent, so it shows up under this drop down here. You have the same capability for all of your campaigns to promote and view the details. And this is Chalk Digital.